Hello everyone. Today we are going to deal with file upload vulnerability. A file upload vulnerability occurs when a web application allows users to upload files without properly validating their name, type, contents, or size. This can lead to several types of attacks, such as remote code execution, overwriting files, directory traversal, etc. Here we have a file upload functionality. Actually, this file applied functionality is meant to upload image only. Let me upload a file and demonstrate it to you. Here I am uploading a JPG file. Once I upload, it is showing that the file is uploaded to this location. For doing this practical we don't need burp suite. But I will use burp to show the uploaded file content. We can see here, while uploading the file burp have intercepted it. And the interesting part is all the file content is being visible here. Even if there is an image file, the content will be visible. I am trying to upload an HTML file instead of an image. Let us see if the file will get uploaded or not. See here, the HTML file got uploaded instead of image. It is a serious vulnerability. I am going to create an HTML file which display a message in the browser. We can upload any HTML file. The file got uploaded and the uploaded path is also showing here. Now what we have to do is to find the file from this path. We can see the page we have uploaded has been running in the browser. Which means if I am sharing this URL to anyone, they will see the page which I have uploaded is running in the official website itself. I hope you understand what is meant by a file upload vulnerability. Now I will show another approach to this vulnerability. This approach, we are trying with the medium level of security. Here if I am uploading an HTML file for a PHP file, the file will be immediately blocked. So here I am uploading an image at the very beginning. This is the content of the image. I am sending this to the repeater. The image content start with an image header. I am going to erase all the image content from this captured request. After erasing the content of the image, now I am adding the HTML code into this image file. Also make sure we are changing the file name to HTML. We can see here the file has been successfully uploaded. That means the security code has been bypassed. By copying the upload location, let's try to access the file once again. And the HTML file we uploaded is working in the victim server. You can see the security code. Here three things are been verified, that is the name, type of the file and size of the file. If the type of the file is JPG or PNG, then only it will get uploaded. And they are also looking for the size of the file. That's why we made a different approach. We confirmed the application via uploading JPG image, but we've filled the content with the malicious code.